Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, term matching quick guide, case sensitivity options. When adding an entry to your term base, you have the option to select the settings that memoQ will use to recognize entries in the translation grid. Selecting the right settings will help improving compliance with your terminology. In this last part, we'll explain the case sensitivity settings. There are three choices. Permissive. The term matches the text if their capital letters are the same. Use this setting for most proper names. There are three examples shown for different combination of it or it. Yes. The term matches the text only when the letter case is identical. This is ideal for abbreviation and acronyms. No. The term matches regardless of the case. Use this setting for most common words to broaden term recognition. Please remember that memoQ uses both the case sensitivity setting and matching setting we have seen in earlier videos to determine if a term in the grid will match. Thank you for watching.